In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a product on Gumroad. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. Then, sign in to your account or create a new one if you don't already have one. After logging in, go to the Products section in the left sidebar. This is where you manage all your products on Gumroad. Next, click the New Product button in the top right corner. Now you'll see several product types, including digital product, course or tutorial, ebook, membership, and bundle. Choose the product type that matches what you want to sell. For example, digital products are commonly used for ebooks, templates, music, software, PDFs, and downloadable files, while membership is used for subscriptions and recurring content. After selecting your product type, enter your product name and set your price. Make sure your title is clear, professional, and attractive so customers instantly understand what you're offering. You can also choose your preferred currency before continuing. Once that's done, click Next and Customize. Now, you can fully customize your product page. Start by writing a strong product description explaining what the product includes, its benefits, and why customers should buy it. Next, upload your cover image and thumbnail. You can upload images directly from your computer or use external links. High-quality visuals make your product page look more professional and increase conversions. After that, upload your product files so customers can access them after purchase. Depending on the product type, these could be PDFs, videos, audio files, zip files, templates, software files, or other downloadable content. You can also customize additional settings such as integrations, product versions, pricing options, custom domains, and community access features. Before publishing, double-check all important sections including the title, pricing, description, images, and uploaded files. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue. Finally, click Publish to make your product live. Gumroad will automatically generate a product link that you can share with customers. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.